Assalamu alaikum. Here is the construction update for this week. Alhamdulillah, the carpenters are continuing to work on ceiling soffits at the lower level. They also framed the sidewall of the stair tower and started installing the 2 layers of drywall on the firewalls. The plumbers continue to work on in-wall piping and footwash drains on the first floor. The HVAC contractor has been installing duct work as it arrives from the fabrication shop. The steel contractors were here to install the 2 cantilever beams at the exterior side stair. The electricians continue to work on in-wall wiring and wiring to the elevator. The cast stone arrived on site this week. The masonry contractor will start as soon as the weather gives us a chance to install. The EIFS contractor has been working here on the days when it goes above freezing. The mainstream carpentry was here to install roof on the mihrab and start the standing seam roof on the dome. Please continue donating as much as you can and support the project. Jazakallah khair for your support.